I'm a 30-year-old who works 9 to 5, recently became a new dad that took back control over doom scrolling. So in this video, I'm going to be going over exactly how the Nintendo Switch 2 stopped my doom scrolling addiction, gave me back time, focus, clarity, sleep, but most of all got me feeling good and happy again. And that was all because of this tiny little portable handheld console that I never would have thought that I would be buying in the first place. So let's go ahead and get straight into this video. It's 2026 and short form, quick videos are what makes the internet and social media world go round. And I personally think that's what's causing tons of people depression, stress, and anxiety. For me in particular, social media is a way for me to get inspired, get creative, most of all, just kind of keep up on my hobbies, whether it's dirt biking, mountain biking, being outdoors. That is literally all my feed is, literally just my hobbies. And I jump on there quickly to kind of get inspired or, you know, kind of de-stressed or whatever. At around January, February, I noticed that I was getting caught in the doom scrolling loop, and it wasn't even the things that I was into or liked. For some reason, I would go from a video of snowboarding to a video of people doing donuts in an intersection getting ran over, or it was people brawling over Pokemon cards with an occasional hilarious, just kind of messed up video that makes you laugh like crazy. And I would just catch myself 15 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour, and that would just freak me out and get me anxious. Now, my wife and I had a newborn at the end of December, so sleep was low and getting adjusted to this new lifestyle was super stressful. Now add the doom scrolling social media loop on top of that. It was just a recipe for disaster, recipe for stress, anxiousness, not being able to sleep with a little sleep we were getting at the moment. The breaking point for me was coming across a problem that I had to solve that kind of needed critical thinking and a little more brain power. I noticed myself going straight to my phone rather than just taking the problem head on, something that I knew that I could solve. And right then and there, I decided to completely stop social media, completely limit everything. I literally gave myself 5 minutes a day if I wanted to, and I really just had to make it count. So I would look at just my hobbies, and then on the weekend I would give myself like a free day. And honestly, after a few months, I caught myself not even really wanting to go on my phone. Now, where does the Nintendo Switch 2 come in? Well, in the age of AI, doom scrolling, I feel like we are just using less and less of our brain power and capabilities, and I quickly noticed that I was headed down that boat, and it scared me really badly. So at the time that I kind of caught this and kind of made those changes, I also picked up the Nintendo Switch 2, not knowing that this thing was going to save my mental health, save my sleep, save my time, and just overall quality of life. Now, you're probably wondering, how did it do that? Gaming's had such a bad rap. It's been stereotyped almost in the same category as doom scrolling. In today's day, I feel like this is almost like a secret weapon because you're actively using and engaging your brain to think, to de-stress, unwind, but most of all, think. I picked up some games that you can kind of just get lost in and chill and kind of let your brain rest at the end of the day rather than filling it with just the doom scroll loop that makes your brain run wild before bed. So you can kind of get lost in this, kind of de-stress, unwind before bed, and you can also critically think and use your brain and exercise it, getting dopamine from solving problems in a game rather than the quick dopamine from a very useless video that has no value to you. Getting past a level feels amazing, or solving a puzzle or some sort of fun interactive way that challenges your brain to think differently. That's been my experience with Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild, going through the temples and solving those puzzles, or just getting lost and immersed in the world, taking in the natural beauty, resting and relaxing, or even getting a little sweaty on Fortnite, maybe just unwinding and getting creative on Pokemon Pokopia, or just chilling on the couch, getting some NBA 2K in or some session skateboarding in. Great way to kind of just rest, relax, and really just take your mind off of things and kind of reset your brain in a way, and again, just exercise it when needed. Now, this probably all sounds great, and you're probably on your way to the store to pick up a Nintendo Switch 2 now to solve this doom scrolling issue, but I will be transparent and honest, it is not the easiest thing to do. When I first noticed my doom scrolling issue, I immediately blocked those apps, set myself a routine and schedule and a plan that I was going to stick to. And anytime I caught myself deferring from the critical thinking task at hand over to doom scrolling, I would replace it with either a timer to get that problem done, and then after I would get a quick session in of gaming, whether that was a 5 to 10 minute session. If I had longer breaks, I would do 30 minutes to 45 minutes, and on and on and on. And after a while, your brain just kind of gets used to it. It's something to look forward to. And again, you're using your brain, you're kind of de-stressing and unwinding. So by the time it's time to get back to work or the task at hand, you're super focused, you're super clear, you're feeling good rather than being left with crappy feelings, comparing yourself, judgments, etc. And you're getting stuff done, whether that's around the house, for your family, for work, you name it. Your quality of life is just going to go up, and that's exactly what it's done for me. It's given me sleep back, it's given me focus back, but most of all, it's giving me just a mood boost that I've needed throughout this transition of dadhood and getting used to this new lifestyle. So one thing that makes the Nintendo Switch 2 super special and the perfect secret weapon to kicking the doom scrolling habit is the fact that it is portable. Just like you can pick your phone and it's super accessible, so is the Nintendo Switch. You can literally have it docked, you can pick it up, play it, and rather than reaching for your phone, you can reach for the Nintendo Switch, get your game on handheld, or kind of just set the screen down, get your preferred handheld controller and play it that way. Being able to have it in the palm of your hand, easily accessible and easy to just play a game and not have to fidget with settings or get caught in like another game doom scrolling or app scrolling habit like you can on the Xbox or the PlayStation, I feel like just makes this thing a no-brainer for the things that I'm talking about, which is actively engaging your brain rather than using it for nonsense, and having the Nintendo Switch 2 at your fingertips and being able to just start gaming and not think about things. That's what makes this thing super special, and that's why I recommend this over anything else, because I feel like if I would have went with something else, I would have been caught in those same habits and not ever really getting to the gaming and actively using my brain. So even though social media and AI can help us, this is literally forcing us to engage our brain and forcing us to focus, and overall it leaves us feeling better about ourselves because we're accomplishing things rather than having something solve things for us, and we're also using our brain and filling our brain with positive, good things rather than nonsense and negative things that we get on our phones. I definitely think that sticking to my plan was what kind of kicked the doom scrolling habit. Pairing that with the Nintendo Switch 2, actively using my brain, critical thinking really has improved my mental health, my mental capacity, my focus, my clarity, just everything in general. So if you're one of those people that's like, man, I can't be a gamer, I can't game, trust me, it is a secret weapon. If you work 9 to 5, if you have a lot going on, if you're constantly stressed out, anxious, if you're not getting good sleep, kick the doom scrolling, replace it with completing missions and getting achievements. And I promise you, your overall quality of life is going to be so much better. If you're in the same boat, drop in the comments what helped you kick the doom scrolling habit, as well as what games that you like to play that help your mental capacity and just mental health in general. Also, the winner from the last giveaway video did not ever claim the Nintendo Switch 2 case, so every comment in this video gets entered for a chance to win that same Nintendo Switch 2 case, and I will be announcing the winner in the next video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe button, guys. More videos to come around tech and lifestyle. I will catch you guys in the next one.